So he called me up and he said, I'm canceling. I can't do it right now because of what the market's doing. We just don't want to, we just don't want to take funds out right now because it's not going to be the amount that we want to do. Hey there, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for tuning in today. Wanted to share with you an experience I had just a couple weeks ago. I was driving to LA to take my family on a cruise ship, and that was a lot of fun. We were really looking forward to it. And I had one of my clients call me during the drive. It's a 7-hour drive, and he was like, I want to lock in this annuity rate right now. Just because if rates go down, I'm not going to be happy about it. And on top of that, I'm leaving town in like 10 days. And so I want to make sure I can lock in this rate. And I was like, all right, let's take care of it right now, because I was traveling with Starlink internet and I get pretty fast speeds. And I set him up with that application. We submitted it. We locked in the rate. It took about 45 minutes and he was good to go. It was a $250,000 application, and they were going to turn on income in 7 years. It's going to be $31,000 a year guaranteed for the rest of their lives. So just an awesome, outstanding product. It happened to be with Midland National as well, so they're going to turn on income earlier because of their birthdays. It was just all around a really, really good annuity situation for them. So I was so excited for him. But the funny thing was, the market dropped right after that. And it affected the account that he was going to pull money from to purchase this annuity. So he called me up and he said, I'm canceling. I can't do it right now. That was a little disheartening. I kind of felt bad for him just because he missed out on such a good annuity product. So I hope the market goes back up for him so he can get back in. But yeah, I'm sure that must have been frustrated for him, just because when you purchase annuities, you're looking for safety. And of course, that money was still sitting in the stock market when he submitted the application. He did not get out of the stock market, which in my opinion, if you're going to submit an application for an annuity, probably at that time you should make sure those funds are in money market or something so that it's not subject to market risk. What I would recommend, if you do purchase an annuity, you submit an application, make sure your funds are ready to go right then, because you want to make sure that when you lock in that rate for yourself, you want to make sure you can take advantage of it and that you don't have to cancel a few days later. Anyways, I don't normally submit applications while I'm driving. In fact, that was the first. Usually I'm either doing it while I'm traveling, either I'm at a conference or I'm in a hotel room and I'll submit an application for someone. But usually I just like to be in my office when I'm doing it to take care of it there. But I will do it if I have to, and if there is a rate that needs to be locked in, I will do everything I can in my power to make sure you lock in that rate. Now, sometimes I can't. I'll just fair warning. Sometimes that's not possible, but it just so happened for him. He just caught me at the perfect time, and I happen to carry Starlink internet with me so that I can take care of people no matter where I am in the world. Anyways, I think that's really important. I wanted to share that with you because if you are thinking about purchasing an annuity and you are wanting to make sure that those funds are available, just consider making sure that they are liquid before you submit the application so you do not miss out on those rates. Okay? Anyways, I am out here and I'm literally sitting here on the ground next to a little creek here. Melts, just basically from the snow melting, and things are getting green. I'm so excited. I love spring and I love the summer. I'm excited to go backpacking out here around Lake Tahoe area and out in the Sierras. Some of my favorite mountains in the whole world. And I've been on a lot of mountains all over the world, and I'll tell you, these are some of my favorite that I love it out here. So I appreciate you guys coming along with me as I talk about some of these different situations that I'm faced with as I help people with their retirement planning. If you're looking for full transparency, if you're looking for the best annuity out there for yourself, I'd recommend going to my website, johnstevenson.com. You will be able to find all of the annuities that are available, and you can research them yourself before you even reach out. Okay, and then if you want to, you can book a call with me and we can chat. So I'd love to help you with your annuity purchase if that's what you're thinking about. There is a link below this video as well. You're welcome to use that link as well if you wanted to book a call with me. So they are Zoom calls, and we can, we'll share screens. You'll see me on the camera, and I'll be showing you everything that's available and answer your questions. So anyways, hope that is helpful. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have, please like, subscribe, share, comment below if you have any comments or questions, and I'll be sure to answer them. So again, I appreciate you so much, and we'll see you soon. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.